Hey guys, it's another episode of Get Off My Porch. Dylan's actually here to see what's actually fucking going on. And Erica, who's normally here, and we're gonna be throwing off. My really old camera. So let's go. Ready? Camera. Let's get out of the way. Dude, Dylan, like, get out way.
Get out of my fucking way. Ready?
Hell yeah. You hit my house.
Anybody want to light it up fire?
What if someone keep on going? What if someone calls on us for this?
Hey, Erica, can I have
It's
some?
my house. Stop. Dylan, would you like to do some? Are you okay, Dylan? Mackie? Some of the plastic like got on my foot. Holy shit! Holy Dylan, you're strong. No, wait. Yeah, stab it a few times.
Ah.
Dang it! Stop. Pick up.
Crazy motherfucker.
Pick up all the stuff.
I am one. But the crazy thing is, I began one.
Hey.
No. Mallory and all, everybody's here. We're just gonna act like zombies and scare the fuck out of people.
Dylan, put your shit right there that you found. Stop!
Stop it.
Oh, this is my very first camera. My sister gave me this.
Can I light
That's the second thing you've heard that your sister gave you.
Can I light it on fire?
And
No.
you didn't even take the battery out of it.
Oh, wow. There was no batteries in it. Okay, we're gonna end this now. Bye-bye.